So, everything you need to know about the Amazon affiliate program. To the Amazon affiliate program, also called Amazon Associates, can be an easy way to monetize your website or blog. Simply sign up, receive immediate approval, and place Amazon affiliate links on your site today. When someone makes an Amazon purchase through one of your links, you get the commission. It's that simple. But how do you get started? Below, you will find a step by step guide to become an Amazon affiliate with whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur, starting your own business, or just looking for a small business side hustle. I hope you will find this guide a helpful place to start. So, what is, you know, Amazon affiliate program? The Amazon affiliate program or Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketing program. It's free for website owners and bloggers to become Amazon associates. They advertise products from Amazon.com on their sites by creating links. When customers click the links and buy products from Amazon, they earn referral fees. So, Amazon affiliate program rules and requirements. Being an Amazon associate is a great way to monetize passion projects or make a supplementary income from your brand. However, Amazon has guidelines for associates to follow, so it's best to understand those before you dive in. Non compliance may result in being banned from the program. The majority of the rules are in place for ethical promotion as well as preventing associates from gaming the system. Here are some of the big ones to keep in mind. You must disclose on your site or in your communication that you may be eligible to earn from your recommendations. You must not make false or deceptive claims in your recommendations. Avoid referring to prices with some exceptions since prices frequently change. Do not use Amazon affiliate links in other offline promotion, ebooks, or email. Do not link shorteners or affiliate links. So, how to become an Amazon affiliate? Create a website or blog, navigate to the Amazon Associates homepage and click sign up. Enter your account information, enter your website address, enter your preferred store ID, explain how you drive traffic to your site, choose your payment method, create Amazon affiliate links. So, how do you create a website or blog? To become an Amazon associate, you must first have an active website, blog, app, or YouTube channel. It's also helpful if you have pre populated that site with content so it appears active and authentic to both users and Amazon. Remember, you must be able to describe the purpose of your website as part of the application process. So, have a firm idea of why you are creating your site, the audience you will target, and how you will bring in traffic. So, how do you navigate to the Amazon Associates homepage and click sign up? In order to become an Amazon affiliate, you will need to create your Amazon Associates account. To do that, visit the Amazon Associates homepage and click sign up. From there, you will be prompted to log in into your existing Amazon account or create one. Enter your account information. Enter your account info, including the name, address, phone number of the pay. Enter your website address. Enter your website address, apps, YouTube channels, etc. Enter your preferred store ID. So then you need to enter your preferred store ID. Usually the name same as your primary website name. Example, explain what your website hope to accomplish and select Amazon topics your links will likely target. Explain how you drive traffic to your site. So how you use your website or apps to generate income, how you usually build links, and how many visitors your site brings in each month. Choose your payment method. Choose whether to enter your payment, credit card, and tax ID information in now or later. Then proceed to your dashboard. Create Amazon affiliate links. Once you have created your account, you will be sent to your personal associate homepage. This is where you will find your performance dashboard, including an earnings overview, monthly summary, and total clicks. It's also where you will search for relevant products to link to from your content. Here is how. Log into your Amazon Associate account. Click on product linking in the top banner and select product links. Add the SIN of the product or search Amazon for the product in the bar they provide. Click the Go button. Click the Get Link button on the right side of result. Alternatively, you can use the Amazon Associates site Stripe to generate Amazon affiliate links directly from the product page. Use the generated link on your site or other promotional material according to Amazon standard. Log into your Amazon Associate account. Doing this ensures that the link text is generated in a way that associates the product you are prompting with your account. Click on product linking in the top banner and select product link. Add the SN of the product or search Amazon for the product. Click on the Go button. Click the Get Link button on the right side. Alternatively, you can use the Amazon Associate site Stripe to generate Amazon affiliate links. Use a generated link on your site or other promotional materials according to Amazon standards. So,